Hi everyone, welcome back to Club All Access Art at the Wreck of Grapevine. Today we're going to be doing what we call coded art. Coded art can be used for games such as decoding phrases for scavenger hunts, picture finds, and also any other fun art project. What you will need for the coded art projects are bingo dobbers. We've used this in one of our other art projects. They're easy for cleanup and great to use. Also, you would need white crayons and you will need white cardstock. Let's get started on our art project. Today, Brandon and I will be drawing in motion. You will have to guess once we're done. You ready to start, Brandon?
Let's do it.
Let's go. As you will see, as you're writing with the white crayon, what you're writing is invisible until you put color to it. And then your secret coded message will start to show. What emotion did I draw? You wanna go up first?
I have sad.
Sad. Oh, Brandon is sad. What does the sad face look like, Brandon? And I have, can you guess? Cheerful. Thank you guys for joining us again for Club All Access Art. See you next time. Bye.